Hi friends, welcome back to Mehndi Love and it's me Sharon. Here I am showing a design to put on the arm part of your hand, and in this design we are going to draw a traditional conventional styled Hindu or North Indian type of kalyanamandap. It is the place where a marriage is held, and this can be drawn as a part of your bridal henna design as a figure work. And please watch till the end for knowing all the secrets and tips of this henna design. And also please do subscribe to my channel and let me know the comments in the comment box below, and also follow me on my Instagram page for more details and designs. I hope you like my design. Watch my other videos also and let me know what type of video you want in my comment box below. And also thanks for watching till the end. Thank you and subscribe my channel.